everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make bubble stitches. I use 6mm hook, 6mm acrylic yarn for make a small simple. Make a slip knot, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make a slip knot, and chaining yarn over, make chains. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. In here we make 17 stitches. Add 1, 2, 3 more chains, skip 2 chains, yarn over, go to third chain, insert your hook, take 2 yarns, unhook, pull up yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make double crochet, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 double crochet, pull up yarn, pull through 1 double crochet, and repeat 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet in each chain. I show like this. I make this stitch I show in last chain, take these yarns, unhook, pull up yarn, pull through 1 double crochet. I show in here for make this simple I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. With these chains, I have 19 stitches in total. For make bubble stitches, we should make multiple 4 stitches plus 3. I show I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I make 4 times in total 16 stitches in here, plus 1, 2, 3, add 3 more stitches for make bubble stitches. If you want make larger than this size, you can add multiply 4 to these stitches. Add 1 chain, go to second row, turn the work, go to top of first stitch in this space, insert your hook, pull up yarn, we have 2 yarns, unhook, pull through 2 yarns together, make single crochet. In here, after single crochet, go to next in top of second stitch, repeat 1 single crochet. In here, in third stitch, yarn over, insert your hook in top of 1, 2, 3, third stitch, pull up yarn. We have 3 yarns, unhook, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. We have 2 yarns, unhook, hold this yarn, unhook, yarn over, we make half of double crochet, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, hold this yarn, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together. Repeat like this 1 2 3 4 5. I show 1 2 3 4 5 times with this uh, yarn. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through 6 yarns together, make bubble stitch. Go to next stitch in here, insert your hook into next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, make single crochet. Should we make bubble stitch? Go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, in next stitch 1 single crochet. Now we have 1 2 3 single crochet in total. Yarn over, go to next stitch, repeat, make bubble stitch, pull through 2 yarns together, hold this yarn on hook, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through 5 times. We have 6 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, go to next stitch, 1 single crochet, in next stitch 1 single crochet, in next stitch 1 single crochet 3 times. We have 3 single crochet between bubble stitches. Yarn over, repeat, make bubble stitch, yarn over, pull through all of them, go to next stitch, single crochet, in next stitch single crochet, in next stitch single crochet 3 times, 1 2 3, make bubble stitch, pull through, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, pull through all of them, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, in next stitch pull up yarn, pull through, in next stitch I show in this stitch 1 single crochet. We make 3 single crochet in here, make 1 2 chains, turn the work, go to next row, yarn over, go to every stitch, take 2 loops. I show, insert your hook, take 2 loops on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, in next stitch pull up yarn, pull through. In this row make 1 double crochet in each stitch, yarn over, go to this stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, go to top of bubble stitch. We have 2 loops, take these loops on your hook, pull through, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and continue like this. Make 1 double crochet in every stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, repeat. I'm showing last stitch, 1 double crochet. In next row, add 1 chain, turn the work. In here, continue, go to first stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, in next stitch 1 single crochet, in next stitch 1 single crochet. We have 1 single crochet in first stitch, 1 2 3 single crochet, same as this between these bubble stitches. In here, in top half, I show we have 1 2 3 single crochet in here. In top of this stitch, after 3 single crochet in here, make bubble stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through 5 times, pull through all of them, go to next stitch, single crochet, go to next stitch, single crochet, in next stitch single crochet 3 times, 1 2 3. In here, after first stitch, 1 2 3 single crochet, and repeat like this. In top of 1 2 3 2 second stitch, in here make bubble stitch, pull through all of them, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, make bubble stitch, and repeat like this. I show in last stitch, make bubble stitch, 1 2 3 4 5, pull through all of them, go to last stitch, make 1 single crochet, add 2 chains, turn the work, go to every stitch, make 1 double crochet in every stitch, go to top half, bubble stitch, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet in each stitch, go to top of the bubble stitch, repeat like this for this row. I show in last stitch, 1 double crochet, make a chain, turn the work, in here continue same as this row, pull up yarn, pull through, single crochet, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, single crochet, after 2 single crochet make bubble stitch, 1 2 3 4, 5. Pull through all of them, go to next stitch, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, make bubble stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull through all of them, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, and repeat like this rows. Make more rows. Repeat for next row like this row, and repeat these 4 rows. Make more rows.